Hello, JFK families. This is Miss Sarah, the kindergarten and first grade ELL teacher in Winooski. Today I'm going to show you how to download Zoom on your computer or iPad and how to join a Zoom meeting. Next week, classroom teachers and special educators and English teachers will be holding some meetings with video on Zoom. You need to download the app in order to join those meetings. If you are using a computer, you can go to zoom.us/download. You can click on the first download on this page, Zoom Client for Meetings. This download is free, and you do not need to open an account. If you are using Zoom on the iPad, you will go to the App Store and search for Zoom. You will download Zoom Cloud Meetings. When you open the app, you will see Join a Meeting. This will then ask you for a meeting ID. Teachers will be sending you a meeting ID or meeting link from your email or in a text message on your phone. If you get a URL like this and you are using it on the computer, you can highlight the URL, you can copy it, and you can paste it in a new tab. This will automatically ask you to open Zoom and join the meeting. If you are on the app, all you will need is the numbers from that invitation, which is the meeting ID. There are 9 numbers, or sometimes I think 10 numbers you will need. That is the code you will enter into the iPad. Then you will click Join. Some teachers may also require a password. The password will be included in your invitation. Here is the password for this example. Right now, this meeting is not started. Teachers will have meetings at different times. You can only join the meeting when the teacher has started it. If you are using Zoom on the computer, you will have an icon. You can go to your Launchpad or your desktop and find the icon for Zoom. From here, you can join a meeting as well. I hope this helps you join your class meetings next week. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email or call us and we can help you.